What's up mga ka-basic? It's me again, Akong, and welcome back to my channel, Akong's Basics. It's another PicsArt tutorial na naman, and this time gamitin natin yung paint splash concept. So let's start. Let's open the PicsArt application and select the background. Okay, for this concept, gamitin ko muna tong portrait. So punta tayo dun sa draw. Alright. Tapos, add tayo nung paint splash. Makikita natin siya dun sa sticker. Type mo lang paint splash. Ako, since nagawa ko na to, ito siya. Paint splash. And, I'll pick this one. Alright. Para ayusin nyo siya, click mo yung layer tab. And yung 3 dots, transform. And that's it. Okay, and I guess we're all set. Alright, perfect. So click mo yung check sign and another tab for the picture, another layer rather, and add a picture. So for this tutorial, I'll use this one, si Zeki Pogi. Si Zeki Pogi, nag-birthday siya no May 26. Happy birthday, Zeki. Anak siya ng office mate kong mayabang. Okay, si Zeki, wow. Adjust natin yung transform. So, kung kampante ka na, okay na, click mo yung check sign. Then, nakita mo itong normal. Ito sa baba. Oh, shoot, mali. Yung normal. Click mo yung normal. Then, you have a lot of options. Click mo yung screen options para maging ganito siya. Kita nyo yung difference. There you go. Ayan yung magiging kalalabasan niya. So, technically, ganun kadali yung concept na to. This time, lalagyan naman natin siya ng border or yung frame. Okay, click ko muna to. Select ko yung white color. Tapos, yung frame. Siyempre, dapat box siya or square. Yung stroke lang. Adjust natin yung thickness niya ng yung max niya para medyo makapal. And draw ka lang dyan ng ay nako Kim, maraming salamat. And draw ka lang dyan ng square para magkaroon ng illusion na nasa loob siya ng square. Alright, para ma-adjust mo again yung transform. Okay. Gimbata nito, hindi talaga tunog mana sa tatay niya. Alright. Okay, we're all done. We're all set. Apply. And dito sa main menu niya, punta dito tayo dito sa tools. Kita niyo yung enhanced. Ito yung ginagamit ko para ma-adjust ko yung kulay. Okay, adjust natin yung konti. Then, saturation. Baba natin yung konti. Awesome. Alright. I guess we're all done. It's up to you guys kung kailangan gusto niyo lagyan siya ng mga text or what na. For this concept, ito yung basic step para magawa niyo yung splash paint concept. So it's up to you guys. Again, pwede niyo laruin. So for this one, it's all done, and that's how simple to do it. And click my next and save it. Once you're done, you are good to go to have it posted. Thank you for watching, guys. And again, this is Akong from Akong's Basics. I would really appreciate kung hihit nyo yung like, subscribe, and mag-comment kayo sa comment section below. Again, thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.